guys, welcome to my channel. So first you should have started out watching Mishka from Whimsical Fluid Artist. I think it's Whimsical Fluid Artist Mishka. I hope that's how I say your name. I apologize if it's not quite right. But anyway, she's an amazing artist, super sweet lady, and we're so excited to have her on with us today. So if you missed her, please go back. She started us out on the Express today. After her, you had Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon with Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after Sis, you have the Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. Okay, so last week I showed you guys how to mix a pouring medium if you still had some bare 8300 left because they no longer make it. And if it was thin, I got PPG and it is Sun Proof. It's an exterior, it's an ultra deep base. And this is, I don't know if you can see it, I'm trying not to spill it, but this is it right here. I can put a picture of it up if I need to. But it is super thick, and I can show you. Oh, what did I do with my stick now? I can show you though. Super thick, and it's awesome. It's great. This is it right here. Sorry, I hit it. This is it right here. It's really super thick. You can just leave your stick in it and it stands up. But so that right there is the Sun Proof. Okay, so I mixed that with the Bare 8300. It works awesome. I mixed it 2 parts Bare 8300 to the 1 part Sun Proof. Okay, so now we are going to do today is it's a new pouring medium. It's also using the Sun Proof, but instead of the Bare 8300, because of course they no longer make the Bare 8300 anymore, I've gotten, it's another PPG product, and it's PPG Breakthrough, and it is satin, and it's an ultra deep base. And I'll probably have to put a picture of that up as well because it's a little dark in here. I'm actually painting in my son's dining room. He's gone for the weekend, so don't tell him. I put plastic down and nobody has to know. I mean, it's only on YouTube, right? Anyway, so I will show you this one. Open this up. I had it open just a little bit ago. Okay. Looks almost a little bit maybe tannish color. But when you do the finger test, as you guys know, and you put it on your finger, rub it together, it is super, super duper clear, as you guys can see. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use 2 parts of the Sun Proof to 1 part of the Breakthrough. It's just, I'm hoping it just thins it out a little bit. The Sun Proof is very, very thick, as you can see. So we are just going to go, I have this here, which is a tablespoon. I'm going to use this little stick because unfortunately I cannot find, there's a hair, that's fantastic. Gotta love animals. That looks like a chief hair. We're actually not going to do that, so we're going to do this because otherwise it'd take me 10 years. Okay, so we are going to just do that. Try not to make a huge mess. Okay, so there's that. All right, I'm going to put this in here. So we're going to use 2 of these to 1 of the Sun Proof and just see what happens. The Sun Proof is amazing. It makes fantastic cells. Because as I don't know if you guys know, but your pouring medium is absolutely just as important as your cell activator. So if you don't have one or the other right, you're not going to get cells. So let's do 2 of these. Yeah. It's quite messy. It's very, very thick. Okay, so 2 of these. Okay, to our 1 part of this. And I am going to kind of try to do this with this one because I don't want to get it all in there. So bear with me while I speed this up probably. Okay. And 1 more. Okay. I think that should do it. Okay. So to 1 part of that. Okay. Get all that off of there. Okay. I'm going to set this to the side here. Yeah, wipe this off. I should, but I'm not going to because I don't really have time. I'll wipe it off pretty soon. Okay. So let's mix this up. We'll mix it up really good. I'm sorry if you can't see that. So sorry. Okay, we're going to mix it up really good. Okay, I might have a hair in there. It's my lovely dog. Well, we have 2 dogs, so it's one or the other. I'll find it here in a minute. Okay, so let's mix that up really good. Okay, so this is my pouring medium. Okay. It's just 2 parts of the Sun Proof to 1 part of the Breakthrough. I'll put this also in my description. All right, we're gonna mix up some colors. I had some colors mixed up already, but I didn't like them, so I'm just gonna mix up a couple colors on camera, and then I will mix up the rest off camera because I won't have time to do all that. But we're gonna mix up, let's see, let's do 1 pigment and maybe 1 tube paint. Okay, let's go with this teal color, and it is just a mica powder. A friend of mine gifted this to me. So it's a really pretty color. We're just gonna mix this up. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, and I may just get it out a little if I can get it without making a mess. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna do that. Okay. Close this up. You should be wearing a mask when you're doing this. I am not, so you guys can hear me, but I'm holding it away from my face. Okay, so what I do is I just take a little bit of Josanya. We are just going to take enough to wet our pigments. Mix that up. I might need a little more. Actually, I'm going to get these out the way because we don't need it anymore. So let me set these down over here out the way. Okay, that way you can maybe see me a little better, hopefully. Okay, all right, so let's get a little bit more of this. So like I said, I'm just putting enough in here to wet your pigment. That's it. You don't want to get it too much. You just want it, all the clumps and bumps out of it. You know, if you need a little more, you can always add a little more. Okay, let's just mix that up good here. Okay. Down little cracks in these little cups. Okay. Okay, so that looks pretty mixed up to me. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make sure this is all mixed up. And I don't measure, so sorry. I measured the pouring medium, but I'm not going to measure to put it in my color. I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to pour a little bit down the side, and then we'll see how that goes, okay? Then I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to mix it in just a little bit at a time. It helps to not mute your colors. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, so there's that one. And that is a teal mica powder. Scrape that off there. It's a really pretty color. Okay, so that one should be okay. All right, let's do one more. This one is Chameleon Purple. Consistency, not that you can't do it without them being the same consistency, because you can, but it makes it a little easier. Okay, let's see what this is. Not too bad. Okay, so there's a couple colors. I'm going to mix up a few more and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I have put my PPG pillow paint down. It's the color sample and it's in black. I'm going to throw some colors down. We're going to do a bloom. This one is the teal. Okay, so we're going to do that one first. These colors are a little thick. Hopefully they will still be okay. That one's teal. Okay, then we've got this one, which is the sky blue. Okay, after sky blue, we've got this. It's a really, really deep purple, and it is mineral violet. Okay, after that one, we've got, it's a tube paint, and it is Got It Deal, and it is Chameleon Purple. It's really shimmery, pretty color. After that, we've got another one, and it is same Got It Deal, and it is Chameleon Red. All right, and then I'm going to take my black cell activator, which is mixed up about 3-to-1 with 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam Oxide Black. All right, and let me blow this out. All right, let's give that a minute. We are just gonna go. Just gonna mess around. I'm just kind of, I don't want to do too much when I'm trying to show you guys, just because I want to show you guys more the cells than the modifications, if that makes sense. All right, so trying to get that in the middle. Okay, let's give that a spin. I'm just gonna not spin it real fast. I'm just gonna spin it kind of easy. Guess I spun it a little faster than I thought I was going to. Okay, let's go. I'll bring that down just a little. Try not to spin it off here. Let's bring it down this way a little. Spin it that way. Okay. One more. I'm gonna give it a good one, trying to get that down there a little. Okay. That's a little better. One more. Okay, I think we're gonna leave that alone now. Okay, let me pop that up and bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, so here is this one. I think it turned out pretty cool. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do a swipe and see how it goes with that one. I will be right back. Okay, all right. Let's throw some of these colors down. I think I'm going to do a radial swipe. So we're going to throw this teal down. Okay, we're going to throw down this blue and sky blue. Okay. We're going to throw down this deep dark purple because it's cool. We're going to throw down this purple. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to throw down this red, chameleon red. And we're just going to rock with it, and hopefully it looks good. I don't know. I'm just over it today. Okay. All right. That's what we're going to rock with. I'm going to go right here. We are just going to go around and do that. Just so we are going to go like that. All right, so I'm just going to go. Watch me go. So that's what I'm doing with it. Okay, so let's just put this in the middle here, and we'll give her a spin and just see what it looks like. I don't know, we shall see. Alright, so that's kind of cool. I really don't hate it. Spin it one more time. Alright. One more, I think. Alright. Alright guys, I'm just going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, I think she turned out really cool. I'm still going to do some playing around with this pouring medium, but as you can see it does work. I'm going to mess with it and see if I need to change a little bit one way or the other. I will let you guys know if I tweak it a little and if it works better. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. I hope you guys have a great day or great night wherever you are. I love you guys, and I will just see you on the next one. Bye guys.